So you've seen our J6 and A6 reviews, and just a few days ago, Samsung sent us another unit, a pre-production unit of the Galaxy J8, which has been officially launched in the market today as we speak. Hi guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and this is our hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy J8. So this phone looks really similar with its mid-range siblings, the J6 and A6 series. Its back is made of plastic but with a metallic matte finish frame, which makes it feel premium. Fingerprint and smudge marks are not noticeable here, so no need for frequent cleaning of the phone. Its weight is somewhat in the middle. By that I mean it's not heavy nor light. However, it's pretty slim, which gives us an easy and firm grip. The button and port setup isn't unique, as we have already seen this kind of setup from the J6, which was launched last month. Power button is on the right, and the volume rocker is on the left side. It has a 6-inch Super AMOLED display and has an 18.5:9 aspect ratio, and touts it as an infinity display, just like the J6. Now in terms of resolution, this phone sports a 720 by 1480 pixel, but given its Super AMOLED display, viewing angles is still great, with vivid and punchy colors. This phone now features a dual 16-megapixel and 5-megapixel rear cameras compared to the recent J6, which only comes with a single camera module. While under those cameras is the rectangular fingerprint scanner that is responsive and accurate so far. We took its camera for a little spin, and the photos it produced so far are vibrant and detailed. Check out some of our shots. Another fun feature that we used is the live focus, which is present in Samsung's flagship devices like the Note 8 and S9, where we can add more depth and effects to our surroundings to give more aesthetic flavors. As for the front camera, the selfie photos that we took are somewhat the same details as the rear camera. Check them out. However, we're not done yet. We'll be testing both the rear and front cameras on different lightings and angles in our full review before we make our final evaluation. The Galaxy J8 is powered by Snapdragon 450 processor, and the device comes with a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. So far, we didn't have problems when we tried to multitask, since the device has a pre-built multi-window mode where we can open and work on 2 applications at the same time. Playing games such as PUBG Mobile didn't have problems so far, as we've only played it for at least a few minutes, but we'll try to test it out in our full review. The face unlock feature works well during our first 5 tries, though the unlocking would take at most 1 second for it to work, but it may be due to our lighting that time. Another new feat is a secure folder feature, where users can simply encrypt their files, photos, videos into one folder without worrying of being compromised. It is passcode protected and can be unlocked using the owner's fingerprint, pattern, PIN, and password. To access this feature, you just have to open the pre-installed app named Secure Folder, select the apps you wish to protect, go to the options by clicking this button, and select your lock type. The Samsung Galaxy J8 runs on Samsung Experience 9, which is based on Android 8.0 Oreo. So far, we like its UI, and we can also feel that it's like using the S9, but on a budget. It has a 3,500 mAh battery capacity, but we'll check out how long it will last in a review. From what we've seen so far, the Samsung Galaxy J8's strong suits are the viewing experience, camera quality, and security. We do hope that the price doesn't break the bank, for it only has a low-tier mid-range processor. So that's our hands-on for the Samsung Galaxy J8. We'll take the smartphone for a full spin in the coming days, so stay tuned for a full review. For the meantime, if you liked our video, hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Once again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!